Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The elephant edge indicator must be installed and matched to your charting platform. Once done, set the chart to 1 hour or 4 hour to capture reliable swings. Make sure you have 100 bars of history loaded so the indicator stabilizes. Then apply default parameters, period 20 and threshold 0, 5, and turn on alerts for cross events. This initial setup speeds calibration and prevents false signals, so you can begin live observation without delay. Now tune and interpret elephant edge. Watch the main line crossing the signal line as your primary entry trigger, and confirm with volume or a momentum oscillator to reduce false entries. If the indicator is too choppy, increase the period by 2 to smooth it. If signals lag, decrease by 2 for sensitivity. Test changes over the next 50 bars to evaluate. Also apply a higher timeframe trend filter, such as the daily chart, so your short-term entries align with the larger trend and improve win rate. Finish by setting risk controls. Place stop loss at ATR times 1. 5, and size positions to risk a fixed percentage, like 1% per trade. Set take profit based on recent structure or a 1. 5 2 times reward to risk. Backtest the setup across 100 to 200 trades and maintain a concise trade log to spot bias. If the indicator becomes noisy, switch on additional smoothing or require confluence from a higher time frame before you enter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.